Hi, here I have this dash cam model A680 by Glorious, that is Gloryes. Now the camera itself is very lightweight with a plastic shell so it can withstand any wear or tear that comes its way. Camera on the front, screen on the back, and you have these buttons here on the side, which is like the power button, the mode, and then up and down. On the top here you have the charger, Type-C, as well as the attachment where you can attach the suction cup here on top. It just slides in like so. You just stick it and then you will turn on the on, like you'll twist it to lock and it'll stay suctioned on, and then you just turn it left and it will pop off. And then it also rotates, so for easy angles. You also have an additional camera here connected with an extremely long cord for easy access, and you can put it wherever you want, as well as this small, about foot long cord, USB-C, as well as this additional extra long cord that you can also connect with this carport. You also have screen protectors. So this one here is the front camera that you can just tear off the back part here and stick it on. As well as this plastic tool, very sturdy, cannot bend too much. And then these additional stickers here for easy attachment, as well as the SIM card. And here is an extra attachment here that goes up and down. The red here is the sticker that you can tear off like so and stick it to whatever you like. So for example, and it's on. And you press it down and it stays on, but just be aware that it doesn't stick too hard, so you can easily remove it. Alrighty, this was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.